Then next concept is what? Now looping concept. In the programming, a loop is used to repeat a block of code until specified condition is met. Okay. Till your condition is true, then at that timing your looping will be executed. Your looping is of three types. One is for loop, while loop, another is your do while loop. Okay, so as you know in the pseudocode, for executing one statement for more than one time, instead of writing one statement more than once, we're using the looping construct. So that is for loop, while loop, next is do while loop. The syntax of for loop is what? For initialization statement, test expression, update statement. So three part we have: initialize, checking condition, increment and decrement. How the for looping is working, you know well. First you initialize the value, then your condition has checked. So till your condition is true, then the statement within the loop is executed. Okay, so it's saying that till your condition is true, okay, the looping will be executed. Then the test expression is evaluated. If the test expression is evaluated false, the loop is terminated. However, if the test expression is false, there is no statement is executed. This process goes until the test expression is false. When the test expression is false, the loop is terminated. First initialize the value, then your value is checked, condition are checked here. So till your condition is true, then statement within the for loop is executed. Okay. Then increment and decrement is happened. So it is a syntax of your for loop. Clear? It is a small program which is used to show whether it will print 1 to 11. Okay.
ଏଠି ଯେମିତି ପ୍ଲସ୍ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଆଇ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆମେ ସୁଡୋ କୋଡ୍ ରେ ପୁରା ଲେଖି ଦଉଥିଲୁ ଯେ i+1 ବୋଲି ଏଠି ସେମିତି ଲେଖା ହବନି
It is the same thing. Online compiler रे program करे कुछ असुविधा होगी तो
ନା ଅନଲାଇନ୍ କମ୍ପାଇଲର ରେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ସବୁ।
then we go for multiplication table. So enter a positive number.
सर एटी नॉर्म काहे कि नियाला एटी तो डायरेक्टली हमें आई भी पुट कर परथांत
पूरा
मु कहली ए जो माने इंटीजर जोटी हमें डिक्लेयर करले फर्स्ट रे सेठी आईएनटी डायरेक्टली हमें आईएनटी आई भी नहीं परथांत आईएनटी नॉर्म लेखि कि आई काहे कि हमें
हमें दीटा वेरिएबल डिफाइन कले गोटे नॉर्म डिफाइन कले गोटे आई डिफाइन कले The factors of 25 is 1, 5 and 25. Suppose we are entering a positive number 25. It is accepted number. Then it is printing you factors of 25 are for int I is equals to 1. 1 is less than equals to none. Yes, 1 is less than equals to 25. Norm modulo I, 25 modulo 1 is equals to 0. Yes, then print I value is 1. Now I value is increment to 2. 2 less than equals to norm. 2 is less than equals to 25. Yes. 25 modulo 2 is equals to 0. No. Then again it is continue. Okay. When it is then 25 modulo 5 is equal to 0. 25 is equals to 25. 25 modulo I. 25 modulo 20 just a minute. Semicolon.
सेठी प्रिंटफ टा हबो जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन जोटी खाली प्रिंट अपन बोले
It is asking for you enter any positive number. Suppose positive number is 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja up to 7 into 10 ja 70. Okay. This is a multiplication table. write a program, enter number, find out its sum between write a program, enter two number, find out its sum between the two numbers. Okay.
माने दीटा नंबर जमती यूजर एंटर करियो दीटा नंबर तारो सम टा शो करियो
Yes.
सेती तो
Hmm.
ऐसे कैलकुलेटर टा ट्राई करियो की
Calculator
स्विच केस
switch कैसे करियो?
स्विच केस माने एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन से चारटा ही कर परी सेटा कर दे
Break statement. The break keyword in C is used to bring the program control out of the loop. Okay, so you are supposed to be print 1 to 10 by using looping, but after 6, if you don't want to print anything, then at that cases you are writing break statement. INTI for I equals to 0, 0 less than 10, condition is true. Print percentile D. If I is equals to 5, then it is break the statement. Okay, so when it is 5, then it is break a statement. So break is a keyword in C which is used to bring the control out of the loop. Now we go for the example. That is showing you 0, printing from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when it is 5, so it is break the statement. Okay. So here we are using break statement. Then continue statement in the C programming works somewhat like break statement. Instead of forcing the termination, it forces the next iteration of the loop to take place. Skipping any code in between the for loop continue statement causes the conditional test and increment the portion of the loop to execute. Okay. The continue is used to skip the element. int main, int I for I equals to 1, 1 is less than equals to 10. Condition is true. That is printing you. So when it is 5, it is skip that particular element. Okay. So when your I value is 5, it is skip that 5 and show the other result. Clear?
माने ब्रेक जदि कराई थांता सेटा ब्रेक लिखिथिले 5 जा जाई थांता एथिरे कंटिन्यू जो करायला से खाली 5 को स्किप करी बाकी सब वैल्यू गुडा देखियो।
Yes, yes, correct.
और सेठी सर प्लस प्लस आई थिला माने हम जो फॉर रे जो कंडीशन गुडा नोचे ता दर प्लस प्लस
This is showing you 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 is not present here. So it is skip that 5 and print the next element. Okay. This
सपोज 5 जगह हमें दीटा वैल्यू रखिया चाहू माने
read
5 6 7 हम तीनटा को स्किप करिया चाहू तो
and
सेटा लिखिया केम
operator use करिए.
माने गोटे लाइन रे रहइबो ना
ये देखि दवा. गोटे ब्रेक हैला कंटिन्यू रे देखियो. ब्रेक रे तो गोटे जगह रे ब्रेक ले जी.
ओ आपण जो कहउचंती i इक्वल्स टू 5 तापर एंड ऑपरेटर देखि देखि पुनी i इक्वल्स टू 5 सेमति लिखियार अछि बोले। हम्म
And skip now. Compiler it confuse you. बुझेला. It is not skipping there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. केवल ये गोटे ही ना. You are skipping only one element. Okay. Okay. So next class we go for nested for loop. Okay.
एटा जो देचंती एटा मु करके आपन को पठौची संध्या भितर।
ये गुड़ा भी प्रैक्टिस कर दो. प्रोग्राम गुड़ा हम पठे देबी प्रैक्टिस कर दो.
थैंक यू सर।